So I'm with my friend here, Chef Michael DeVitz, and we're in New Orleans. And the first couple years we did not engage with these folks, but pretty much every year since, I don't know, like 15 years or some odd number like that, we've been coming to this awesome facility, which is about everything that we're about, which is about engaging people in culture and doing all kinds of fantastic stuff. And so, so you tell me, how have things changed over our engagements over the last 15 years or so?
Well, one of the things is we can't go to the markets.
Well, now. We've started out not going, like originally.
Originally we're back to that method. But no, it's just, I don't know, the kids are more personal, they're more engaged. I feel like they're paying attention, a lot of them. I think the facility itself, we've gotten, the first year
more sophisticated.
Much more sophisticated. We were on the ground floor before, now we have this third floor classroom, hopefully more coming. So our product lines, we've gotten some pretty good new product lines in.
You've helped us, so we first were doing no really food stuff early days because we were doing demolition and stuff. We added that about year 3.
Correct.
And these guys have been really helpful in helping us think through some of these things, connections with local food, etc.
Right. Well, you've actually helped a lot of the local markets. You do the Holly Grove Market. In spite of us going to the Crescent City, you were going to the Holly Grove Market. You're taking your product down into the community then, our product down into the community, and rebuilding the gardens and reclaiming the wetlands and all that. So you guys have just added so much more to us here with your services that you bring when you come here. And it really is true. I mean, I really love the fact that I can tell people that there's this whole area that these kids come and put together for us. They go down to the low-lying areas like Buras and rebuild those gardens down there. And now the Ninth Ward that you're rebuilding. So I just think those are amazing things that young people need to get involved that way, but in other ways. I mean, it needs to happen all over the country. Just can't be you guys coming here. People have to go other places and do the same things. And I think you're a prime example of what needs to be shown to the world, that these kind of programs actually work.
Yeah, and I think that, so we're here in a setting that's not a traditional classroom, but where they're learning stuff, right? And so we're making jokes about the history of politics and gender and all these kinds of things, and people are having an honest conversation that we can't really have maybe the same way in a classroom. People are relaxed.
That's formal. They're relaxed. We've got the food to use as a buffer. If somebody's not the least bit interested, they're at least going to be engaged in eating the food. And so if you tell them a German gave us the sausage, they're eating sausage. They may not relate to it, but German sausage.
Totally.
Yeah, totally. So, and everything has to be French Catholic, so even the sauce. Oh, they didn't take their aprons.
We'll grab them.
Okay, yeah, I took the apron. You can take the aprons for those guys. Yeah, I saved these all year round. They're
valuable.
Yeah, this one will get washed now and be put into a stack for your next.
That's good.
Hopefully, it doesn't stay this dirty.
But I like the fact that we cook dirty. I like the fact that we get dirty when we cook.
You like it because you don't do any cooking, and this way it looks
How
like you did.
Dare you? How dare you?
And I'm going to bring this on tape now.
Yeah.
How many years have I asked for you to take me to California so that we can do this kind of, get the students that are engaged, that did this, to recreate the whole concept there and give it to the people of California.
Yes.
At the university, so they understand what their money's going to.
You totally, absolutely. We're totally going to do that. I have a story to tell you, but we cannot record it because I'll get in trouble if I say it.
Okay.
But that's a great idea. So this place is fantastic, and when folks come here, they don't have to be part of our class. They can come take classes here at the New Orleans School of Cooking.
And our filmographer over there, Tom, has been doing this as well. And John, where did John go?
John is over there.
John and Tom have been coming as much as these guys. Every class I've come to, you guys have been a part of it.
Look, there's that guy. You go over there.
Every time we do this class, we get these guys, which at least tells me that I think they're interested in coming. Either that or it's a free trip.
Look at them.
Do it. Whatever. You cut that out if you want.
No, that's good. No,
And then
cut it
we
out.
have this assistant over here.
Zach.
Zach is the assistant over there.
First class.
Who has now taken over. I didn't think he had enough work to warrant an assistant, but I'm glad he's got an assistant.
I'll cut that out.
There's so much service that has to be learned. There's so much service that has to be learned.
Well, are you gonna? This way, you can take it over should something happen.
Oh, wow. We're
That's
talking
morbid.
about assassinations and stuff. You're concerned now. But awesome. Okay, so 20 years. Here's to the next 20.
Next 20.
right.
I'm here.
Cheers.
I'm going to be here. Yeah. Thank you, guys.